To know that the criminals who put the 12 people in front of me are held accountable for what they did. And I need to know that they're never going to do this to me for our lives.
We're free.
Stay and I'll leave for this all be over.
Bakit maminit?
I'll tell us Zoe. Did we do a good job confessing her?
So what's happening? Guys, look at the fast star hits for that's got something tonight. So,
Tapos na.